how to stop auto-playing reels on Instagram. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So yeah, let's get started, I guess. All you basically want to do is simply open your Instagram app and, just go to your profile thing over here. Then click on the top right and then go to settings. Over here, you want to go to account settings, right there. And once you're here, you should see data usage, or it is called sell your data for you. And then just click on there. And all you basically want to do is click on use less mobile data. And that will basically stop the autoplay. That will basically stop autoplaying reels and decreasing the quality. So you use less data. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just going to disable it though, because I don't want that. But that's basically all you have to do. It's as easy as that. And now you can just open up your reels and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.